for someone on your right side right here. I start right here. I aim for them because there's more exposure time for them. Because if they're on your side, you're going to aim straight at them, and that's going to be less surface area for you to aim at.
Like this way, or?
Aim that
Yeah,
way.
it makes sense.
I'm going to go for this green one up here.
Okay.
Green left.
I'll go for a mid.
Ready.
Yeah.
Team T2000, ready.
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 3, 2, 1.
What's the play? Keep holding back, or?
Time at 30-second interval. 45. 1 minute remaining.
I got him. I'll push up. All right.
Okay, I'm calling it because of the people that are left. But if you have one person, but you have ownership of the flag, you win that round.
Okay. Yeah, it makes sense.
It is the winner. Whether you own it or push it. Even if the other team has 2 people to your 1, yes.
It's sort of like hot pot.
Oh,
Yeah.
Possession is worth more than your teammate. Yeah.
That's
Right.
fair. That's fair. Yep.
Yeah. Oh, we just made a rule change happen.
Yay!
All right. 1, go!
Hit. All right.
Silver Fox left, just out of retirement. 1 minute has passed. Long shot, take
They got the flag. Oh,
long shot 10. 1 round to the long shot.
all right.
Running around. Thanks.
That's 20 rounds.
20?
Yes.
Great.
It's looser than normal Talon.
I will try to conserve.
Yeah.
You want to take these or no?
No. Go ahead.
All right, switch sides. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Oh, that was did that hit me off the ground? Okay. Yeah. Right. Hit. That was on my leg. Yeah.
25 seconds, team elimination.
So in that gambit,
Yeah.
you'll need to go through for the flag, and in order to get a run, we'll probably have to get out Garrett because he'll probably not be farther on the right.
Yeah.
Well, whoever is farther on one right end, and then you might be able to get a run. And it's really just like our best shot with the ammo we have left. It's definitely a low percentage strategy,
Yeah.
but we might as well commit to it. You
Screw
say?
Just go.
Yeah.
Let's do it. I'm gonna go to this mid orange up here first, and then I'm gonna try to
Yeah.
look for flag.
Rotate. I'm just gonna go straight for the snake.
I'm gonna go for Garrett.
Take possession.
Sam, hold him.
Yeah.
Hold him. We're in a good spot. We're in a good spot.
1 minute, 30 seconds.
Oh wow.
T2000, 2-2.
But
I have bad news. I'm out.
completely.
I'm out.
Let's see.
I need to keep the mag in though.
Let's see.
How many do you have? Oh shit. Oh shit, no.
This is all we're gonna get. So
Shit.
go for a gambit. No,
Gambit.
no gambit.
No
or
gambit?
We just need it.
Fuck it, fuck it. Got him.
T2000s are hot. Oh, T2000s with possession.
Really fast. So
Yeah, so I would
it's
say we
barrier
would want to
up as soon
stay
as-
back.
Barrier up as soon as you can.
Yeah.
John is absolutely, he's gonna go for the snake.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna aim for John.
Do you
Yeah,
want to
dude,
just
yes.
run to the left and have me run to the close? It's the safest default defensive lineup.
If that's the case, then we should start with burst. Oh, I'm doing 2-round burst, or should I just go single? Maybe go single? Get a feel for him again?
You can just do what works for you, really. I'm locked to full auto. Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Hit! Damn! Oh,
I'm gonna get hit.
you know?
Can't make a flat
Yeah.
run if I got hit first. Hey, good shot, whoever.
Ooh. So now what's the play,
No
so
play.
to speak? No.
Wing it.
Yeah.
Just have fun.
All right.
It's the finals.
1, go!
Hit!
Alfred fucking won!
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
Got him.
Did you just get hit by Mike instead? Or what? Oh, then we ended up trading pretty close. Yeah,
Let's wait.
that's the way to go. I'm gonna swap my mags around. Do you need one? Or 2 mags is okay for now. I got 2.5.
You got 2.5? Give me that half. Okay.
All right.
Counter ready! 3, 2, 1, go!
You out, Mike? Who hit was that?
Hey, Chris.
They traded.
I don't know.
They traded. Give them a one-on-one.
Oh, I like that.
2, 1, go!
Oh. I mean,
Yeah.
it's not because I pushed up and was aggressive.
That's 2-1. 2-1.
Would you happen to be able to top me off? Or no? You're down low too? Okay.
Orange right here.
Straight to right orange, and then we'll try to get John then.
3, 2, 1, go!
Unfortunate. Ah, so close.
30 seconds.
Yeah.
Sam, get the flag. Get the flag. Get the flag. Stay. Stay. Stay.
Oh, sick. I mean, it was a bad position.
Other team.
I was like,
I'm horrible.
Three rounds.
He had 3 rounds and he had none.
nice stuff. Nice stuff. Oh my gosh.
Good game. Congratulations.
Oh,
Y'all won the Sweetheart Tournament.
I think I did because I double bursted, right? I thought I missed.
I felt it hit the GoPro. The GoPro got me out.
Yeah. Will you end up going left then?
I'll go left.
Okay. Should probably turn it on.
Are you sure you're on? That would be so bad.
2, 1, go.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Did you hit me, Austin?
It was a ricochet.
Okay. Hit. Yeah. Whoops. Yeah.
Y'all bastards.
Oh,
I'm taking that
truck
out
it.
of the count.
I didn't realize I got you, Mike.
Hold on. I actually snapped this joint.
Oh, it's fine.
Yeah. So we'll just.
It's coming out of your pay, Sam.
Yeah, I mean that's just a misplay on my part. Ready.
3, 2, 1, go.
That's a hit. Awesome.
That was it? Okay.
Really? Shit. Okay. I didn't think I actually did hit.
He got hit right
Yeah. Because like that wasn't properly aimed.
I saw it like that.
Go. T2000, ready?
Ready.
Ready.
3, 2, 1, go.
Okay.
Damn. I wanted to say something so bad, but
Dead man can't talk right. You're like,
Move up.
3,
Right.
2, 1, go.
Alright. Oh.
I'm so sorry, I should have got me a seat.
Get to the
Oh.